How to set up double tap to lock on your Android device. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to double tap to lock and unlock your device. So the first thing you want to do is open up your settings, but let me just show you what that is. So I don't have to press my power button in order to turn off my screen. I can just double tap on my home screen and my now screen is off. In order to turn it back again, I can double tap and then it's going to open up again. Now I can just go ahead and unlock my phone. So in order to be able to do this, you basically have to go to settings. Now it might be different depending on which settings or which phone you have. But you basically have to go ahead and open settings up. Scroll down here and go to display. If you find the setting on your display, it's going to be right down below that says double tap to lock or unlock. And if you don't see it here, go back and then scroll down until you find something related to lock screen. Tap on lock screen, and then from here you could just scroll down and go to more lock screen settings. And in order to change that, you could go to always on display as well. You can change when you want to show your always on display. Now to change your double tap to settings or double tap to unlock, you basically have to find it. You can find it using your search bar. You can just go to the search icon and then search for double tap. And then from here, you can find this double tap to turn off screen and double tap to turn on screen. You can go to motion and gestures. And then as you can see here, I've enabled double tap to turn my screen on as well as double tap to turn my screen off. Basically, you have to toggle both of these on, or in some cases, you might only have one option. You can toggle that on. Whenever I double tap on my home screen, my screen will turn off, and whenever I double tap, it's going to turn back on. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.